Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Pandas in Visual Studio Code. So to do that, to install Pandas, we need to create a virtual environment. So let's open up the terminal. And in the terminal, I want you to check your Python version. So you do Python -v. So Python not found. What we should do is to add the version. So I'll do Python 3-v. So we get the version of Python. So I want you to use that same Python 3, all right? Or whatever version of Python you have, you say -m. We want to create a virtual environment. So we do venv, and then you can name your environment whatever you like. You can simply say env, or for the sake of this video, I'll say tests env, all right? Env. So when you enter it, a virtual environment will be created, and then when you click on this, you get everything in the virtual environment. But that's not all. For us to be able to install Pandas and any other package we want to install, we need to activate this virtual environment. So you come to bin, you see this file here called activate. That's what we need. So you come down here and you enter this command. We say source, all right? Source, and then the name of your environment, which in our case we called test underscore env. Then you put a /. We want to go inside bin. So you do bin, then we want to go to activate, right? So then inside bin, you click here, /activate. So once you've entered this, we've activated our virtual environment. So you can see test env, we've activated it. So after activating our virtual environment, you can now install any package you want. And in our case, we want to install Pandas. So we do pip install Pandas. And when you enter it, Pandas will be installed and everything that comes with it. So this might take a few moments, but not too long. All right. So to update, you see everything that comes with it. So the next thing we are going to do now is to create a file to test if Pandas was installed correctly. So I'll call this app.py. All right. So you do import pandas good as pd. So everything was installed correctly. If it was not installed correctly, you'll get this warning, something of like a yellow squiggle under Pandas. But the fact that we did not get it means everything was installed correctly. So we want to create a data. So we say data should be equal to the map, and we call this let me call this product name. Product name should be a list of products. So I'll say the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, and let's add one more. So I'll do iPhone 17 Pro Max, and you put a comma here, and we do prices. All right, so we do price should be equal to $9.99, and we do $10.99.99. all right, and $12.99.99. So that's all, and we can now go ahead and create our data frame. So for the data frame, we create a variable called df. So we use pd, which is pandas dot data frame. All right, so data frame is a method. It will accept the data we created here. Now, of course, your data can be a CSV file. So now we come down here and print data frame df. So after printing this, you now want to run the program here. Let's save first. Then you come down here to run it. So I'll do Python 3. Now what we need is Python 3, yeah. So I'll do Python 3, then the name of our file, app.py. And then when we enter, it's going to run the program. So just wait a little bit. So when you create the virtual environment, you should see your virtual environment running down here. All right. So we wait a little bit, and so you see our program has run. You get the product name, you get iPhone 17 999, you get iPhone 17 Air 1099, and so on. So that's it for this video. Pandas was installed correctly and we tested it. So you can now clear. Then after running our project, it's a good practice to deactivate. You want to deactivate Pandas. So you simply run the command deactivate. Right, so now after deactivating, you see we no longer have the test environment before the part here, and that's exactly what you want. So that's all for this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's very helpful. This is a new channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.